Hello everyone, this is Hani Sayed, and in this video we are going to cover how to download videos from AliExpress without using any extension or stuff like that. Okay, so if you have been using AliExpress and downloading videos from there, then you would probably know that earlier we just had to play the video, and there used to be three buttons, three dots where you can click and download the video, but that part is missing now. Okay, probably due to the recent change in AliExpress UI or for some other reason. But there is a way to download videos from AliExpress. All you have to do is you just need to right click, then go to inspect element, then choose the cursor, then click on where the video is. Okay, and then as you can see there, here's the video link. You can right click on it, then click it on open in new tab. Once you open it in a new tab, then you will have those three dots come back, and then you can simply click on these three dots and click on download. Okay, and this is how you can easily download any videos from AliExpress. Now if you have access to Super Ali, then you don't need to do all of that stuff. When you go onto the product page, this is the same product that we had open there. You can just right click and reach the video section, click on this and download the video from here. Okay, hopefully it was helpful for you, and let me know if you can't download or are still facing some issues in getting access to videos from AliExpress for whatever reason. Bye bye.